Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Muhammad Junaid Anwar, Minister for Maritime Affairs, Honorable Federal Ministers, Admiral Naveed Ashraf, Chief of the Naval Staff, Excellencies, Ambassadors, government officials, general officers, and Mr. Zuhair Nasir, Managing Director, Badr Expo Solutions, entrepreneurs, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is really a great pleasure to be here to see the Pakistan Navy under the patronage of the Ministry of Maritime Affairs and with the valuable support of partners like Badr Expo Solutions, organizing the second edition of the Pakistan International Maritime Expo and Conference 2025. I take this opportunity to express my appreciation to the Minister of Maritime and the Chief of the Naval Staff, Admiral Naveed Ashraf, for their outstanding leadership in steering this important event. Distinguished participants, the Pakistan Navy has always stood as a pillar of strength in our national defense architecture, whether it was the legendary Operation Dawarka of 1965 or its state of preparedness during the recent Indian misadventure. The Pakistan Navy has never failed to demonstrate resolve, professionalism, and precision. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan remains committed to international peace, regional stability, and adherence to international norms that continues to guide our maritime diplomacy. The recent Aman exercise, with participation from 60 countries, stands as a resounding expression of this unwavering commitment. With over 1,000 kilometers of coastline, 3 major ports, and a strategic location at the crossroads of global maritime routes, Pakistan is uniquely positioned to harness the full potential of its maritime domain. The blue economy is the next frontier of Pakistan's economic resurgence, with the power to generate wealth, drive trade, stimulate inclusive and sustainable growth, and transform coastal livelihoods. Global blue economy is valued in the trillions of dollars, and for Pakistan, tapping even a fraction of that potential could be a real game changer for our national development and regional connectivity. Ladies and gentlemen, the blue economy is a constellation of opportunities, from merchant shipping to fisheries, from shipbuilding and recycling to renewable energy, from coastal tourism to offshore aquaculture. We must harness this promising spectrum of possibilities. Our total freight charges annually touch almost $7 billion. Let there be a healthy competition between Pakistani shipping companies and foreign shipping liners. Ladies and gentlemen, Japan's journey reminds us that it is not the size of our challenges, but the strength of our response that determines our future course. Despite geographic constraints and limited natural resources, Japan transformed itself into a global maritime powerhouse with world-class port infrastructure, advanced shipbuilding, and sustainable exploitation of marine resources. Its integrated maritime strategy has become a cornerstone of national growth, technological innovation, and regional influence. As I conclude, I'd like to reiterate that blue economy is the new frontier and its time has arrived. Let's take the leap. And I would like to encourage our young, dynamic Minister of Maritime, Junaid Anwar Chaudhary, and of course, our Naval Chief Naveed Ashraf, his team, and of course, all stakeholders to come forward, join hands, team your efforts, and transform our maritime strength. That is the need of the day, and I'm sure you're going to live up to the expectations of the people of Pakistan. Thank you very much.